Welcome to our channel guys. We will reveal the official Samsung Galaxy S23 series launch date in this video. Please click the notification bell icon for more videos if you are a new subscriber to our channel. I'm grateful. Previous rumors suggested that the Samsung Galaxy S23 series would make its debut on February 1st, 2023. Three models, the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra, are reportedly part of the flagship series. The launch date of February 1 has now been confirmed by a new poster that appears official. On the website for the Samsung Colombia, the launch date was announced prior to official confirmation. The signature triple camera module found on the most recent Ultra versions of Samsung flagship phones is also featured on the poster in addition to the launch date. Previous leaks have revealed information about the phones. Recently, the four color options for the phone's official high-resolution design renderings were leaked. Phantom Black, Cotton Flower, Misty Lilac, and Botanic Green are some of four colors that will be offered for the Galaxy S23. Additionally, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC is said to power these phones. Every member of the Galaxy S23 series will have a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The pre-installed versions of Android 13 and One UI 5.0 on each of the three phones will be the same. The dynamic display on the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen. It will have a QHD resolution and a refresh rate of 120Hz. This phone is the only one in the lineup to have a curved display. Additionally, it is asserted that the S23 Ultra's display is brighter than the iPhone 14 Pro series at 2200 nits. The phone will also receive a brand new 200-megapixel primary camera, two 10-megapixel telephoto cameras with 3x and 10x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera will round out the quad camera system. The device's battery will have a capacity of 5000 mAh and support 25-watt fast charging and at least 15-watt wireless charging. In case you were wondering, there won't be a charger in the box. The Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 will both have the same camera configuration. They will have three cameras set up on the back. The phones reportedly come equipped with 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with a 3x optical zoom. Full HD resolution will be available on the 6.12-inch screen of the S23 5G. The AMOLED panel will be capable of 120Hz refresh rate. The top center of the screen will be flat with a hole punch cutout in it. The device is also expected to support a 3900 mAh battery, 25-watt wired fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging. The Galaxy S23 Plus 5G will have the same display features with a bigger 6.6-inch panel. The larger form factor also has room for a bigger battery. A 4700 mAh battery is said to be inside the S23 Plus. Similar to the other two versions, it will support both 25-watt wired fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging. It's all done for today. Please share your thoughts with us regarding this. Please click the notification bell icon for more videos if you are a new subscriber to our channel. Thank you.